Hi friend, this is the second session from the subjects of managerial economics, and these sessions will be dealing with the importance of managerial economics. Let me explain the topics as following ways: introduction, concept, importance of managerial economics, and finally conclusions. First, introduction. Managerial economics is an important for decision making in business, and managerial economics is to demonstrate how applications of economic theory can improve decision making process. In simply says, managerial economics is goal oriented in nature, as it is mainly aim at achieving maximum objectives of the firm, and managerial economics is an application oriented science in the sense that is concerned with economic applied in practical decision making process in the business. And concepts of managerial economics. Managerial economics is a science which deals with the uses of basic economic concepts, theories, and analytical tools suitable in the decision making process of a business firm. And the important things, importance of managerial economics. The managerial economics assists the decision making process of a business firm in the following ways. There are five importance is there. First, helps to management, and second one is to solving practical managerial problem, and third one is providing basic economic concepts, and fourth one is helps to predicting the future business, finally to identify and understand the business factors. First, helps to management. Managerial economics helps the management and the business executives of the firm in making decisions concerning with the product mix, input mix, production techniques, level of outputs, price of the product, and investment. So, it is generally and directly helps to the management. Second thing, to solving practical managerial problems. See, managerial economics is pragmatic and realistic in nature, as it concentrate on making economic theory more applications oriented. That is, managerial economics is concerned with the uses of analytical tools of economic theory in solving practical managerial problems and improving decision making in business. Third one is providing basic economic concepts. See, managerial economics provide basic economic concept such as elasticity of demand, short run and long run cost, and marginal cost curves, and which is helps the executives for identifying, analyzing business problem and finding out the solutions to these problems. So that the managerial economics is directly provide a basic economic concepts to solving decision making problems and process. Fourth one is helps to predicting future business. See, managerial economics helps the management in predicting future business in light of the various economic variables such as cost, production, price, demand, and profit, simultaneously capitals. So, these are all the things are mostly predict the business and identify the future business also. Finally, to identify and understand the business factors. See, managerial economics assists the management to identify and understand the factors, both external and internal factors that influence the business firm. Here, external factors are the factors that are outside the purview of the business firm, whereas internal factors are the factors that are within the purview of the firm. In managerial economics is a basis for business policies, which in turns are preparing on the basis of the studies and finding of managerial economics. And managerial economics estimate the relationship between business factors such as income, elasticity of demand, cost, and volume of profit and profit analysis. So, finally, conclusions. See, managerial economics is closely related to microeconomic theory, or microeconomics deals with the study of individuals, firm and industries. The main sources of concepts and analytical tools for managerial economics is microeconomic theory, or it is called as price theories. Managerial economics make uses of microeconomic concepts such as demand, elasticity of demand, managerial cost, managerial revenue, uh, short run and long run cost, market structures, and marginal and average revenue and business making decisions in firm. Thank you.